All right, good afternoon, Cryptoballers. We are back in BitSeven, and we are watching the run-up from 12,000 to north of 12,400 today, this afternoon. It is Monday, the 17th of August. And big day marking on the calendars. Bitcoin has broken the ceiling at 12,000, has moved up into the 12,400 range, and is now pulling back. We have watched this for the last couple hours. If you watched the earlier videos, let's take a look. Obviously, we saw now the sellers are moving in. This is a change of direction video. How do we see change in directions on BitSeven? If you're on BitMax, if you're on BitByte, same deal. Trading View, same deal. In terms of, look, how do you identify the change in direction? This is something that you want to learn how to do before you enter and exit trades, okay? That's just the reality. You're not using technical analysis. You're not using, all this crazy information that's out there that's pretty much daunting information from technical analysis. Okay. There's tons of YouTube videos. If you're into that, help yourself. They'll steal your money. Okay. That's the reality. Put your money into your own pocket. Okay. Don't be paying people $20,000 like Crypto Kirby to learn like crypto analysis. Okay. And when you can implement that $20,000, that's almost at this point 1.7 Bitcoin into the market yourself. Okay. Again, leverage trading. This is in the minute, depending on how you like to look at it. Obviously, we saw this. We saw it coming yesterday. We saw it building yesterday. Okay. But this is where we've been up. We've had some run ups here in the last hour or so. Okay. And this is where one of our videos about an hour ago, we talked about what this was. Would you or would you not enter this on the downside, right? It ended up being like about a 30-point swing. Would have been like a 10% P&L. That's a great trade. In a 2-minute time, 2-3 minutes, boom. Okay. You could have gotten back in, participated the upside. Right here, 252 to 260 range. You're all the way up at 425, 426. That's a great trade, right? It's a great entry point. Now we're back again with the sellers coming in. Clearly, we've got to look at direction, okay? If you're going to leverage trade, that is what it's about. And quick ins and outs, shock and awe, right? Okay? Do you believe this run up is overbought? Okay? In the same manner in which 2 weeks ago we thought that the market was oversold. Okay? I use, and I've said this before in multiple videos, I like resistance levels. I like upward and downward channels. I like to have that information. That's it. I like to know what the moving average is because, look, the traders sitting all around these desks, all around the world, play on moving averages, resistance levels. Okay? They're in the technical analysis camp. Okay? And that's great. But not everybody has time to learn all that stuff. Okay? So what we really want to focus on is inevitably what's a good entry and what's a good exit, right? I mean, that's really all we're talking about here. Moving on. And we're playing on what they're doing. Let them use the technical analysis, okay? Let them drive the market to where the market is going to be in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are primarily the two here on BitSeven that are worth your time. Okay, the movement you're playing, remember, in this type of trading, hit and run trading, you are looking for volatility, period. If there's no volatility in the market, take a day off. Okay? You don't have to trade. There's nothing that says right now you have to trade. Okay? Okay? You're not moving other people's money. You're not managing other people's money. Okay? You don't have to justify your existence in terms of being a trader, right? This is what you're doing when you see opportunities in the market. Okay? And you're going to learn. Once you learn entry and exit, okay, look at what we're finding here. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 4, what I call 4 breaths, okay? 4 deep breaths of sell-offs, right, to the downside, right? Okay, then we're having a run-up again. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 deep breaths with lower wicks, okay? That's telling me, okay, that we're going to have a pop to the downside here, okay? And it may not come in the next 20, 30 minutes, but we're going to come. Because, look, that's 363, 370. Okay, $30 up, all right? I'm going to run a part 2 of this video, again, about noon East Coast time, Washington, D.C. Bitcoin's at 12,424. Hit like and subscribe. Watch part 2.